Hey everyone, this video we're going to talk about how to change colors of an image in Canva. Now, you can't really change parts of an image color like, I can't just say point to the sleeves and say, okay, I want to change the sleeves from blue to pink. That's not so easy. That's what Photoshop is for. But on Canva, you can still make a lot of color adjustments with a few methods. So let's explore these methods. You just click on the image and you click on edit photo, and the easiest way to do it is with filters. So you see filters over here, and it gives you a few color options. So from this kind of an effect, you can go to, say, this one. You go to like a bronze, and then it gives you a cool or or Scandi, Astro, Latte. You see the colors have almost completely changed. Well, not exactly, because the sleeve is still blue. So let's see what other filters are there. Then you have color pop. This becomes all purple. You can make it black and white. You can give it a feel over here where the shoe color has changed from black to purple. So these kind of adjustments you can see, and you can also play around with the intensity to see what kind of an effect you want. So if I take this and I don't want it to be so pink, I just reduce it, and it's still very different from my first image, but it has changed color. And you can also make it like that, ink, and you increase the intensity, and it has this desaturated effect. It has noir, is basically makes it much more black. So just play around with the filters to see the best way to change colors of your image. So none will take me back to the original image. So that's one way of changing colors in Canva with the filters. The other one is with the duotone method. Now, duotone is essentially what it says, duotone, dual tone, so two tones in an image. So here we go. If I go to duotone, now it gives me the chance to change the image completely. Like you have a yellow, you have a pink, you have a pomelo. But note over here that it's only two colors that are changing. So from here you have, let's say, blue, black, and a little bit of white in the background. This makes it a little bit flat to only two colors. But again, you can customize these colors. You can change these colors. So you can change the highlights and the shadows. All right. Then you can also try out this, for example. And now I'm going to change the highlights to, say, something that'll look quite ugly, green. And then you can again play around with the intensity of it. If you click away, which is what happened right now because it just went away, but you can come back here and you can change the intensity again. So that's what you can play around with over here in the duotone method. Just two colors, choose the colors and choose the intensity, and then you would have changed the color of your image completely. So again, I go to none and I go back. So that's two ways of changing colors in Canva, with the filters and with the duotone method. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.